Introducing the 2012 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Power and economy are assured thanks to the advanced diesel engine, meeting strict emissions requirements while still delivering exceptional output and efficiency. All of the premium features expected of a Volkswagen are offered, including front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, and remote keyless entry. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.